This is a piece of decking board that we have just cut out, and this is how bad it is. I don't know from you can see in the wood. Of course some is bad and some is not, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and spray that, and we'll show you how it's gonna clean. You can spray by a bottle, by a sprayer, whatever, pump sprayer or whatever you want to do. And from what you can see, it's bubbling already real quick. Doesn't take much time. Now let's go ahead and clean it. The longer it sits, of course, the better results you're gonna get. That's what you got right now. It's already cleaned totally. See the difference between the two boards, or the board, what it is. Of course, it has not been left long enough on the board. It could become a lot cleaner, and this is a test that we have done before where we cleaned it originally, and this is what we got. That's the same boards, but we left it for a little bit longer in order to get it to the right results that we are looking for.